Now let's come back to this Power BI desktop. Basically, before we go into any of the practical things here, I wanted you to download one of the file which is there available. I have already given the file link, which is this one on GitHub. There is a repository, complete Power BI, and in that we do have some source files. Like there are some Excel files with the data, and that data will look like this. So we do have some. There is one folder target where we have 3 years of data. They are very small files. It doesn't have much data there, but for this inventory is one thing which is there, but this is the bigger file which is worldwide importers. So there are multiple companies data that we are going to use it. You can see this date, stock item, like customer, employee, city, and there are many other things which are there. And these are the things which we are going to use going forward. So this is the data source for our course where we are going to use this, and based on this we are going to create our data model. Then we are going to create visualizations on other things. The 2 points I wanted to clarify: if you are not aware about any of the database things right now, or if you haven't had any experience with the SQL databases or any other databases, then there are two important concepts, which is the dimension tables or fact tables. So that is one thing which is very much important, that we are going to see it practically as well about the star schema and how to use it. When it comes to database design, we should be able to understand what is the dimension. Dimension is nothing but uh, the columns or the fields in the tables which gives some meaningful information to the other columns. Like these are the figures, like these are the sales data. So when it comes to sales data, like this kind of figures, these are the fact values. Fact means transactional values. So that kind of things are called as fact columns or measure. So there are two things, just to explain you that dimension and measure. So sometimes this measure is called as fact as well, or sometimes it's called as the transactional. Depending upon the different database terminology, these are the things. So dimensions are it's a purely like character columns. Now you can say not only character but dates as well. So if you say here, you can see this date, month number, quarter, year, week number. This is a dimension table, because all these columns are dimension data. So it's just giving some information about uh, the data which is we wanted to be use we wanted to use for the transactional field. This is the one table which is there. Now we do have some other table which is again have some dimension columns only, and there is a unit price. So this is one thing which is again we can consider as a fact value or transaction value. Apart from that, these all are dimensions. So uh, basically these dimensions gives the detail about the fact tables or detail about the transactional values. These are the some of the tables which we can say. This is again a dimension table, and this is again a dimension table. You can go through this and you can try to understand this.
Yeah,
And
all are the dimension because there is no fact value.
yeah, so this is the dimension again.
Again, all the dimension.
Yeah. So yeah, this is not dimension. This is a combination. You can say fact table because this is having some key fields. Uh, Here there are key, primary key, foreign key as well, and then there is a unit price, tax rate, total tax amount. Then these are the some of the things which are transactional value. So basically, for one day, how much sale is done, how much tax is calculated, and all those things. So that kind of transactional, you can see what is the profit and all those things. So these kind of things are fact table. So this is how it is generally done, means for this fact table and dimension. So dimension, you can say character fields or like name, name, address, pin code, date. These kind of things are dimension columns or dimension fields. And when it comes to measures, so it is a numerical values, not numerical only, but it can be like aggregated numerical, means it is a
Okay.
sales data, amount.
Value to value to dimension also called as a fact.
Yeah. So that is, that kind of things are available. So generally, so we will see what kind of a schema design we need. So there is a one popular schema in the database, which is the star schema. So if you are not aware about what is star schema, you can try to search it in Google and try to understand what is star schema. So basically star schema, just to give a brief about that, so it will have fact table, and there will be multiple table, dimension table 1, then dimension table 2, and there will be another table here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of table, and they will all join with this fact table. So we will see means how this can be done, means in next videos, where I will show you with the practical examples what are the star schema, how star schema is designed. So that is how we wanted to see. So that schema we are going to use, and this is a general structure which is mostly used. That's what we are going to see. Okay. Now I wanted one more other thing you to do is, I wanted you to connect to one of the field. So now if you have Power BI open, you can go through along with me, so that it will be helpful for you to understand the flow, means how we can connect. So now I hope you have downloaded that file, data file. Have you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm on it.
Okay. So you can try to open it, that folder. That folder basically will have this kind of things, which is basically three folders. A zip file will be there, and once you unzip it, then it have targets folder, then inventory, and worldwide importers.
Yeah, all have it.
Okay, so now I would like you to open Power BI desktop, so which is we already installed in the previous session. You can just open it, and you will get this kind of screen. Means
Yeah,
okay. Now I think, Miss, you can share your screen. I will just guide you so that it will be easy for uh, your understanding.
yeah. 1 second. My laptop is a bit slow, so just 1 second.
Yes, yeah, no problem. Okay, I can see your screen now. You have opened this. Now just click on this get data option here. I think you can just close this pop-up here. Um, Excel power workbook. Yeah, don't use that worldwide importers right now. Just go to the targets folder, and I think that those are the CSV files. You need to use CSV files. So just click on this inventory. No, not this. Yeah, try to use this. Yeah, 2017 file. I click on open. Now this is a very small file, just having 3 rows. I just wanted to get the feeling of this. Now when you click on this 2000 you have this screen. When you click on load, don't click directly. When I'm just telling you this, what does this load will do and what this transform data will do. So load will directly load your data to Power BI directly, and it doesn't give any options to process any of the column. Like if I wanted to rename column, if you wanted to change the data type of the column, then it doesn't allow when we click on this load. Now when we click on transform data, you can click on this transform data, and we will see how to use this query editor. So basically it opens the query editor when we click on that transform data. So you can I think it will open now. You can just click on that apply changes if required. Can you see any? I think it is open, but maybe some other window is there. So you can just minimize this, and you will see that query editor is open in separately.
You are not able to see my query editor?
No, no, no.
1 second, let me share that screen too.
Yeah.
Complete desktop. 1 second. Now?
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. This is how it is looks like. Now you can see source is promoted data, promoted headers on this, and then other things. Like so now this is the query editor, which gives so many options which is available. In the home ribbon, you can see there are so many options which are there, and we are going to see these options step by step in the coming sessions. So how to use these columns. There are pivoting and pivoting as well of this column. There is a transform menu as well. So if you can click on this transform menu. Yeah. Here there are so many options. We can rename, we can detect data types, split columns, then extract. There are count rows. There are so many. We can apply some mathematical functions as well. There are so many things which we can do, and we are going to use this. There are add columns, view, add columns as well. The menu is there, which we can add an additional column here. We can do some processing on that as well. So that kind of things which we are going to use it. Mm. Now this is what I just wanted to connect to this source. Now you can close this. You can close this query editor. Yeah, now there is 3 options. Close and apply will actually apply our changes and then close. Apply will just apply changes, but will not close the query editor, and close will not apply any changes, but it will just directly close it. So when we wanted to save our changes, you can select close and apply. Just click on that close and apply. Yeah. Now once we have this close and apply, now you can click on that apply changes as well. So basically it is creating a connection in model. So let's wait to get it open. Okay, so it should not take that much time, but anyway, it is, I think, yeah, it is now completed.
My computer is bit slow.
Yeah, that's so I think the issue is that's fine, miss. Now it is open. Now you can see once the data query editor is closed, right side, if you just expand that 2017, you see fields option. Yeah, just expand that. So whatever the data model which we have created, you can see there are 2 columns which are available now. Now this is fine, means we are not going to do it anything here. On the left side, so this screen is whatever the screen you are seeing here is we can create visuals. So now we have connected to the database. Now you can take any of this column visuals, any of this visual first. Let's take the second one, I think, column chart, or yeah, stacked column chart. It will be good to see. Yeah, you can bring it to the center. Don't click on that. Yeah, just drag it in the center. That's what means. And yeah. Now go to these fields. Click on buying group and drag it in the x-axis here. Not there, but uh, below this visualizations there is an option. Not there. This visualizations. If you can. All these visualizations where you can see, right, there is a below option x-axis, y-axis, add legends, small multiplies. Can you see this?
Where it is?
Uh,
No, where it is?
no, here. The buying group and target excluding you are seeing, right?
Yeah, buying group and target.
Yeah, left to that, exactly left to that. These visuals are there. You can see different visuals are there.
Yeah.
Below
This one.
there you can see values. Below values. Not now. I actually first select visual. Select this column chart on the left. No, not that. Now what I would say, uh, click on this chart. Click on this chart which you have added. Now you can see.
Okay.
You can
Now
see
I can see.
x-axis, y-axis, legend. You can see in the here field, right?
Yeah.
So now drag that buying group on the x-axis. Yeah. Now this is just added, and now you can.
Okay, buying group.
Okay, it is got added. Now on y-axis we need a target group, because that is something which is a fact value. Now this is how it looks like. First visual we can say. Now the values you can see it is very small values actually. So that's why it is having 9 values, I think, for every group. That's why it is showing. But if there are less or more values for each of them, then it can be possible to have some like good looking chart. Right now it is just a flat because the values are very small. Like if in the data as well, if you go to the database in the query editor as well.
Yeah. Can I go to the query editor?
Yeah, you can go to here in the transformed. Not there. There is an option because we are already connected, right? In the home menu only. Not, don't click it. There is a transform data. Yeah, go
One
right.
second.
Yeah,
Okay, got it.
yeah. Click on the transform data.
So I'll find the query editor. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
good. Now understand that.
yeah, this is how it we can go back to our query editor, and you can see some of the values. Like all of them values are 999. That's why our
So we
chart
can change
looks
it.
like. No,
Can
we
we
cannot
change it?
directly. Yeah, we can change it. We can do some mathematical calculations here, and we can uh, do it. Let's try to do that. Now, what you can do, um, or you can just add another column which we will create with this. Right click on that particular. No, add column. The menu is there. In the menu,
One
menu
second.
option, file menu, home. Yeah, add column.
Eight column. Yes.
Yeah. Now here you can just create a like a column. Yeah, column from examples you can say, or custom column. Click on custom column. Now here give some name. Yeah.
Now column value 5.
Uh, uh,
Yeah.
no, no, we need to create some formula because it will not give. But anyway, if you give just 5, it will just show 5. Uh, okay, click on that. That's fine. So this is how it is created. We wanted to have some different values, so we wanted to let's try to do some mathematical calculation. Can you go to this again, that formula? Click on that formula again. There is a column. No, 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 not from there.
Create another one.
No, not. There is option which FX you can see.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. This FX. Can you click on that FX? If you can click on that, or else on this right side. Yeah, click on that FX. Not that.
Right.
On the left side, on the right side, added custom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a star at the right. Yeah. Now, yeah. Now here we need to add something which is now target excluding max tax. Okay, I think divide by, maybe I'm not sure how we can get different values because we don't have any other column which is having different values. So maybe max also is not possible. Uh, it's fine. I think 4 divided by something. Can you do it? 4 divided by maybe 10 or something. But this will not work because we don't have anything. This will give all the same results. Um, can you cancel this now? Can you cancel this now? We'll create some different things here.
Can I delete it? Custom column?
Yeah, you can delete it. Yeah, if you click on that cross icon, it will get deleted. Now here, this is how we can create. Can you click on this column from examples? Yeah, from all columns you can see. Yeah. So this is how we can add it. Let's. The problem is like cancel this. What we'll do, we will just go to that source file. Go to the source file.
1 second.
Yeah, open that in the 2007. Just make
Change
that
the value.
something. Yeah, change some values. Yeah. Now try to save it. Go to this query editor. Transform data. Yeah, transform data.
1
Yeah.
second. Yeah, I'm trying to be used to with it.
Yeah, that's why I wanted you to use it. You need to refresh it because that's why it is showing like you can see, right, this red what is a red yeah, just right, just click on that.
Here?
Yeah, right click. No, not that. No. What is the error it is showing?
No error showing.
Okay, just click on this refresh. There is an option
Where
or
the
top, not here, just in the menu. Yeah, home
okay,
menu. Yeah, refresh
refresh
all.
all?
Yeah, yeah. What happened? Wasn't found. What happened? Buying group was not. Did you change anything in the database? Can you check?
No, idea.
Okay. Now how this is this has happened? Okay. Oh, this is a CSV file. That's why it has been changed. Now I would suggest you make another file. Not another.
I'll download it again.
Yeah, download it again and just paste it there. It must be there, I think, in the that zip file.
Let me see. Where it is gone?
Check in your downloads folder.
Maybe I after I using it I deleted. Let me see. No, I deleted. I feel.
Now do one thing. Do one thing. Go to the same folder. Not a problem. Just close this Excel. Close this Excel. Go to the data file folder. Yeah, here in targets, just copy this
2018.
2018. Yeah, 2017 you can delete. Copy that and make it as 2017. Copy there only.
Yeah.
Edit. Open. Okay. Yeah. Open with notepad plus notepad file. Actually we will update it. I will say just see how it looks, right? Not that, not
Notepad.
yeah. Okay, now it is showing. Yeah, this file is having 15 15 18. Okay, so now just close this. Now
Then
just try
refresh
to
it.
go to this. Yeah, go to the Power BI and just try to refresh all. Now it is showing right correctly. Now
Yeah.
you can close and apply here. Go to the visuals and just try to refresh it.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now,
So
now it
now
is
you
showing
can see
different.
groups and yeah, it is showing yeah, different. Okay, so this is how it is. So this is the first visual. I just wanted to show you how we can connect. There are so many other things which we can do it, and from the next session we will try to make something which is more like we will start with the simple thing first, and then we will take it forward, adding one by one more visual, and there are many other things which we can do that I will show. Do you
Okay.
have any questions or till now?
Not now. Not now. Everything is clear till that. And
Okay.
now I understand we have to, if we have to edit any CSV, we have to go with the uh, notepad.
Yeah. Notepad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
One second.